guys, welcome back again to our another vlog. So today's video, our topic is about my visa and alright. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So you see our outfit is where I am right now. So I'm here in the UK. So welcome to the UK guys. So I show you. I'm holding now like a visa. Spouse visa. So our applications guys is just only 20 days working and then approve our visas. So last na-approve yung visa namin, I think it's talk about December 5, right? December 5. And then I fly here end of the year, end of the month. Yep. So this is it. I enter only the UK now. You see my visa. Charat. That's my face. This is the stamp for the immigrations, guys. So I'm already in the UK. So we're just home already. We buy some presents. I mean my winter clothes because it's too cold here. So my flight is almost terrible. So Manila to Dubai, Dubai to Scotland, and Scotland to Belfast. So that's all guys. So I'm so happy because I'm here in the UK. I'm here to my husband. So we are together and no more LDR. So thank you Lord for everything. We're successful visa. So I'm noisy here to my husband now. Because this place is too quiet, so I'm the noisy one here. Right, darling?
You're always noisy.
Oh, alright, I accept that. I'm noisy. Okay, so we're just home, guys. We're just go to the mall, buy my things. Just I show you a bit. Alright, so I bought this one. Oh my god. It's really expensive here. The money is here. It's gold. You know, I have my new shoes, Skechers. What do you call this? Flip-ons? It's terrible to you. Yeah, slip-ons, hands-free slip-ons. Yes, like that. A Skechers, guys. So it's nice. It's comfy to my feet, like that. Size 39. So how? Size 6 in the UK. So they're really expensive here, guys. Expensive these shoes. Oh my god. I did not show you my things before when I come here. I have there already boots. I have both. So this is the new things that I bought here. My bathrobe. To keep me warm. Marks and Spencer. Yep. It's all white. To keep me warm. That's nice, guys. It's comfy. And then I have pairs of leggings. It says warm inside. It says warm inside said because there is something like that. Yeah. I have that. I'm looking some other color, but I use this the one that's color black. This one too. Still the same. Warm inside. Yeah. There's the price. Size large. What? Size large.
Takes it for your big bum.
Yeah. I have this also for the winter clothes, guys. What's this? Love me, wear me, reuse me. Yeah, that's good. Large again. I'm looking some okay, but I could not find here, guys. Too funny. Only in the Philippines. That's one. That's the color white. Yeah. This is my winter clothes. I like this much, guys. It's cotton. So I remove this one, darling. Oh, it's too noisy. That's nice. And I like this color as well. Yeah. The size is XXL, but look, it's good. Yep. I remove the hanger as well. Nice. I have also clothes from the winter, but this is also for here. Next week, I'm coming back again to buy another one. Yep. And then, this is my other thermal clothes, thermal jacket. It's already. This is the size. It's extra large. This is color black. Yeah, this is for the winter, guys. It's nice. What, darling?
You're crazy.
I like this. I will not stand up, guys, but you know this. Alright. So, this video is, ito lang yung video natin for today. I show you outside a bit, guys. It's cold. Ouch! Ganyan lang, guys. Tingnan mo yan. Parang ewan. So, I show you outside the view, guys. This is for the paper bag for the shopping. It's nice. What's the name here? Snuggle? Snuggle time. I like this one. And I like my shoes as well. Alright. Oh, I show you outside, guys. My husband is there. That's the front, guys. I like that, the front. As you can see, you cannot see people is roaming around. It's the place so quiet. And that's our neighbor there. See? Time now is... What time is it, darling? What time is it right now?
What's what?
What time?
What time? 1:40.
1:40 in the afternoon. Seem like this. You see the sun, but if you go out, it's really cold. Like that. January and February is the worst month here. Right, darling?
Yep, exactly.
Yeah. As you can see there, I'm not go out because it's cold. Cold here. See, just only that I show you a bit. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is only our vlog for today. Bye.
Oh, what's the matter? I just come on. It's me lips just cut my fingers right up and away.
So, Jan! Snow.
I was going to say that.
It's a bird. It's big. That's a big bird, darling. Seem like a duck. Oh my wow. Seem like a duck. Hi.